Guys, so welcome back to my channel, and this is just my hygiene video. So right here I used the Vagisil bath bomb. That's why the water's gonna be green, but yeah, like it didn't make all those bubbles. My body wash made the bubbles, but yeah, I did like the bath bomb. It made my skin moisturize and it smelled really good. Like it smelled so good. But yeah, it made my skin feel moisturized and everything. I really did like it. Like it's really good. And I didn't get irritated or anything down there with it, but I really did like it. And I used a Vagisil Beach Blossom cleanser and a deep Neutrogena, I think that's Neutrogena, deep cleansing stuff. And yeah, like I've been using that all the time. That's why I use my face all the time. And with the scene you just saw me washing my legs, like y'all know I wash more than that, but I couldn't really show y'all all that on the I can't show you that on YouTube. Like, well, like showing that this ain't none of that. So yeah, but yeah, I just washed everything off camera, but I just showed my legs just to show y'all that I wash. And like I just wash everything up in the tub or the bath, like, and then I get up after the bath and then I rinse off in the shower. Like I'm not fit to take a bath and then take a shower. Like no, that's wasting water. Like no, I just wash up. I get up and wash everything else that I can't get when I'm sitting down. Then I rinse off and run the shower water to rinse the soap and stuff off. But yeah, and then I have washed my hair in the shower. Well, when I rinsed off, I washed my hair too. So yeah, and I used to, in the other scenes I know you guys saw, I used the spa system, the little spa system brush thing on my face. Like that thing, I've been using that throughout the years. Like I love that thing. Like it makes my face blemish free and everything. Like it really does work. I'm gonna have all the products in my description box, so make sure you guys check it out. But yeah, those, like the spa system, it's like really good. It works for your skin. And this video is not sponsored. Like I bought all this stuff with my own money. Like I'm telling y'all the truth. I wouldn't lie to y'all about this stuff. I tell you if it's trash, if it's trash. If it's good, I'll tell you if it's good. But yeah, so right here I'm using my this lip scrub I picked up from Target. Like it is really good. I like it using my lips. Like it made my lips feel like butter. Like I love this stuff. But I'm probably looking kind of crazy right there because I just didn't like the feel of it on my lips. Like but yeah, and then I'm using a second part. It's like comes in two parts. It's part one, part two. I mean step one and step two. And this is the second part. This is the mask, the lip mask. And it made my lips so plump and juicy because y'all know I got white folks lips. I don't got no lips. So yeah, I like to use stuff plumping up my lips because I ain't got nothing. But yeah, this mask made my lips look so plump and juicy. Like it looks so good. Because I had showed a scene before me showing my lips. Like they look kind of dry. Because since I got my tongue ring, my lips been dry. Like they've been so dry. But yeah, so that's why I like to use a lot of lip masks. And then I'm using this Pixie Glow mask. Like this thing will make your skin so brighten up and everything. Like it makes your skin glow. Like I really like this. It's a good mask, but it's kind of expensive though. But I really like it. And so yeah, right here I'm taking everything off, and you see my face is glowing. Like, bro, look at it. It's like really pretty. And I'm rubbing the product in from the glow mask. And you see my lips. Look at them. They like look like butter. Like they look gorgeous. And I put on my Brazilian Kiss lip chap. And I just put that all on my lips. And yeah, I know you guys can see I have blackheads. Like I know I got blackheads, but I don't have any blemishes or anything. I just got blackheads. I'm gonna order the little suction thing off Amazon and try to get them out, or I'm just gonna use my charcoal mask and maybe they'll take away some of the blackheads. But yeah, and then I use my however you say that, my toner. I know I'm using a paper towel. Now it's kind of ghetto, but I ain't having like facial things to wipe my face with, so I just use the paper towel. But yeah, I like this stuff too. It makes my face feel refreshed, and it kind of gets you oily too. So if you have dry skin, it's really good for your skin. I'm just making sure I get everything, just wiping it all up. And this stuff makes you have a nice clean, nice tone too to your face too. I really like this stuff. And yeah, and then the next thing I use is my cocoa lotion from, I got it from Victoria's Secrets. It's like a little sample size, and I put that all over my skin, and I put it on my arms and on my legs. I just showed a little bit of preview on my legs because I didn't want y'all seeing all of that. And yeah, so yeah, you can see right there I did. And then I brushed my teeth too at night because I got my tongue ring. I brush it 2 times a day. So yeah, I'm looking kind of crazy. Then I'm showing off like what my skin looks like right there. See, look, it's like glowing and everything. Like these products really do work. Like it looks so good. And I know y'all say I got chin hair. Like yeah, I got chin hair. Like I don't know why I haven't shaved it or waxed it yet. I don't know what I'm waiting for, but I'm gonna do it. Like I know I'm not the only one that has chin hair. But yeah, don't come for me for that chin hair. Like I'm gonna get rid of it sooner or later. But it's just been lazy to shave it. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like, share.